In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up a live account inside of Pepperstone. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to pepperstone.com. Then from here, it should bring something like this. And here you'll see the main page of Pepperstone. From here, you'll need to go down to Trade Now to register for your account. And once you've done that, it should bring something like this. Here you'll see you'll have access to log into your Pepperstone account. But if you don't already have one, you can see down here, not yet client, that you can sign up by clicking right here. From here, it should bring something like this, where you can create a Pepperstone account. Here you can sign up with either your Apple account, your Google account, your Facebook account, or continue with your own personal mail. From here, you'll need to click on the one that is suitable for you. And then from here, you can see let's create your profile. Here you'll need to add in your country of residence. You'll need to add in an account type where you can choose between a joint account, individual account, a company account, or introducing broker. You'll also need to add in your first name, last name from your ID documents, because you will be asked to do a KYC later on once you register for a Pepperstone account. Down here, you also need to add the date of birth and your mobile phone number. Down here, you'll also be asked if you want to get emails, phone, and SMSs from Pepperstone, but this is optional and you don't need to click this off. From here, you'll simply need to click continue, and then you can see that Pepperstone will create your profile. You'll also get a mail from Pepperstone that will congratulate you for signing up with Pepperstone. From here, you can see set up a live account. Once you click on that, you'll need to select the preferred platform, either MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, Pepperstone, their own trading system, cTrader, or TradingView. You'll also need to add in an account type, either standard account, racer account, or a managed account. You also down here need to enter a password for the specific platform that you have chosen, and you can also add a referred by if you want to do that. Once you've done that, you'll be asked about your employment and income status. You'll here be asked if you have a source of your trading funds, where you can either select employed, saving and investment, inheritance or gift, profit and revenue, or others. You'll also be asked these other questions, and you need to choose them truthfully, or else you won't be accepted into Pepperstone. You'll also be asked whether or not you are a beginner forex trading, or intermediate or advanced, and then you'll be asked if you are or have a close relative of yours who's currently been politically exposed in the last 12 months, and you'll need to be answered all of these other questions. Once you've done that, it should bring something like this inside of the dashboard. Now you'll just need to start the application test and add in other details right here. And then from here, you'll get access to your live account, so you can start trading, forex trading with your funds. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!